wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best bonsai tool sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, experienced hobbyists who've tried the cheaper alternatives will appreciate the quality of the Tianbonsai Masters, a collection of 7 stainless steel pieces in a nicely organized case. They're all handcrafted with long handles that offer leverage. The blades stay sharp and they all come lightly oiled. However, it is a very expensive option. At number 9, the kebinfen button leaves includes the essentials: a natural bamboo rake, pruning scissors, and a bud trimmer, all for a reasonable price. This is a good option for beginners and those who only have 1 or 2 plants to care for. The shears are very sharp and it's great for indoor herb gardens too, but the rake can be difficult to clean. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the bamboomn trunk and root might be slightly overpriced considering it includes only gin pliers, a root cutter, and a trunk splitter. But you can rest easy knowing that all 3 are of pretty decent quality and are a breeze to maintain. They're hand-forged from carbon steel and good for trimming large growth. However, the cutter may need to be sharpened initially. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bonsai toolsets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for intermediate users looking to get serious about their hobby, the voilamart carbon steel is a good investment. It's one of the most comprehensive kits out there and features everything from cutters to branch benders to a handy 6-inch hemp broom. It includes 5 rolls of training wire and all comes in a large zippered case, but the pieces are somewhat prone to rusting. Moving up our list to number 6. It's not the most all-inclusive option, but with the zelar made 8-piece, you get a handful of useful tools at a price that's hard to beat. 3 scissors, 2 wooden spades, and a rake make planting and replanting especially easy. It also includes tweezers and can be used on other plant types too. However, the handles are a little small. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Planter's Choice Accessories offers the 4 essential tools you need to take care of tiny plants, which are tweezers for removing dead leaves, a pair of pruning shears, a bamboo brush, and a rake with adjustable prongs. The handles are ergonomically designed and it all comes packed in a gift box with a money-back guarantee. At number 4, the best-selling bamboomn pruning passes on the novelty items and only includes those that are absolutely necessary, such as a pruner, a bud and leaf trimmer, and a bamboo rake. Each piece is precision ground and comes sharp. It's very affordably priced and good for beginners. It includes a hard case for storage. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with 14 pieces designed to do everything from watering plants' roots to dusting off their leaves. The btibpse Mini is an all-in-one kit that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, with sturdy utensils made from wood, stainless steel, iron, and plastic. It's a durable construction that includes a spray bottle. It's also great for succulents. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bonsai toolsets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, with a thorough how-to book and a handsome wooden storage box, the tinyroots starter makes a great gift for anyone just getting into the art of miniature plant maintenance. And unlike other kits, it comes with wire for shaping and training saplings. It includes a nutrient supplement and traditional butterfly shears. It's a good value for the price. And coming in at number 1 on our list, as handsome as they are functional, the yotek gardening boasts thick wooden handles with a matte black finish on the rake and spades. It comes with a bonus beginner's guide to help you with your cultivation education. It includes a brush for dusting off leaves, holes in the handles for hanging, and a hemp storage bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bonsai toolsets, or simply click beneath this video.